Hi everyone, today we are going to cook a beef short rib in the pressure cooker. We're going to use a black beer, mushrooms with the butter. These are our basic ingredients. We've got garlic, onion, carrots, celery, and then we've got our beef stock, tomato paste, and anchovies. We've got balsamic reduction, and then obviously our oregano, thyme, bay leaf, and some rosemary, and salt and pepper to taste. So we're going to use a special trick in this one. Let's get cracking. So what we're going to do is we're going to barbecue this meat on some of the sides, not all of the sides as usual. And this is so that we can get that smoky barbecue flavor in the pot. As well as we're going to barbecue the mushrooms, or as we say in South Africa, braai. So we lightly covered the mushrooms in olive oil with some pepper, just for a little bit of taste. So you'll notice that we've got the olive oil and the pepper mix on the meat as well, but you can season it to your taste. So now we're going to turn the meat. So we like to turn it onto the fatty side so that we can start cooking the fat as well. And hopefully the barbecue or braai smoky flavor is going to go into the meat nicely, as well as the mushrooms. Let's close it up and wait for a few minutes. Alright, looking good. Now time to take it off. We only did two sides of the meat, the fatty side and one of the bigger sides. Alright, cool. Let's move on. Let's add some butter to the pot. Bring your pot to a normal heat, melt the butter, and then we are going to add the onions. And also the carrots and the celery, the garlic for later. When the onions are nice and done, soft, then we put in the garlic and the tomato paste, and we turn that all around, mix it in well. Now the spices, mix that in well as to get the flavor. Careful so that you don't burn it now. Now we are getting ready to deglaze the pot. We're going to open the beer and then add some of that into the pot. So we're adding half a liter of beer. Then we're going to mix it up a little bit. Then we are going to wait until it starts to simmer before we add the next ingredients. We're adding our beef stock. Give it a stir. Now we add your meat and the mushrooms, together with a little bit of sauce from the meat. Our anchovies. A little bit of balsamic reduction to taste. And then our canned tomatoes. This is a standard of 400 grams. Spread the tomatoes out on top, don't stir. And then we are ready to close the lid. The pot is simmering, time to put the lid on. Set your pressure cooker for 45 minutes. Right, the timer will start. Okay, after 45 minutes, add your potatoes and some extra carrots. Then we're going to close it up and we're going to let it cook for another 15 minutes. Okay, so after your 15 minutes, check if the potatoes are nice and soft. Everything is soft. Time to dish up. First, we're going to leave this for a little bit to cool down while we prepare the rice. Okay, after 15 minutes of rest, we can start dishing up. While it rests, the sauce becomes nice and thicker, so don't worry about that too much.